Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 5 of Healthy Diabetic Friendly Recipes, I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich salad recipe. So let's get started with the video. For this salad, I'm using about 150 grams of raw papaya, also known as green papaya. I'm peeling off the skin, removing the seeds, and then I'm grating the raw papaya. Raw papaya, also known as green papaya, is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. It is low in calorie, and the high fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Raw papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion and helps to break down protein and fat. Including raw papaya in your diet will help in maintaining a good gut microbiome. Once grated, keep the raw papaya aside. Into my small stone grinder, I am adding in a small piece of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 whole black peppercorns, and I am crushing them. Add in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you are using good quality apple cider vinegar which has the mother. To make it more gut friendly, I am adding in 1 tablespoon sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a naturally fermented cabbage which helps to maintain good gut health. I have already shared how to make sauerkraut. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. I'm not using any oil in this recipe. Instead, for healthy fats, I'm using half cup roasted peanuts. So the roasted peanuts will give the natural healthy fats and the protein needed for the salad. You can increase peanuts up to 1 cup peanuts if you prefer. And I'm mixing all this really well. The idea is to crush the peanuts lightly. Okay, now the peanuts are coarsely ground. Now this is the dressing for the salad. If you prefer, you can add in a couple of teaspoons of wood pressed groundnut oil or virgin coconut oil. But since peanuts are a good source of healthy fat, I am avoiding adding any extra oil into the salad dressing. Add the crushed peanuts into a bowl, 1 green chilli or as needed, finely chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato de-seeded and chopped, 1 carrot grated. Add in the grated green papaya, handful of coriander leaves, and give this all a good mix. Transfer the salad onto a serving plate. And lastly, to make this more nutrient dense, I am adding in a handful of microgreens. This is entirely optional. And my super healthy papaya salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.